Water is important, so we should not waste water. What do you do with the leftover water in your water bottles? Do you throw it away? Water is very important because all living things are depending upon water. For everything we need water. Without water, living things can't live. What do you do the leftover water in your bottle? When some leftover water is there in your bottle, what do? You will throw it away. Instead of throwing away, you may water the plant or you may use that water to wash hands as well as you can water the plant. Okay, by doing this you will save the water. We all get water from rain. What happens if there is little rain? There will be less water. When we do not get enough water for our use, we have shortage of water. In rainy season, if rain comes very little or it may not rain properly, what will happen? We may face shortage of water. We may not get enough water to do our day-to-day activity. That is called shortage of water. Sometimes, due to the absence of rain for longer time, a place may become completely dry. There will be no water available. This is called a drought. During the drought, a land dries and cracks appear. Plants dry up as they do not get water. Animals die as they do not get nothing to eat or drink. When we face shortage of water for a long time, that situation is called as drought. During the drought, all the land dries and you can see the cracks on the land. All plants will dry up as they do not get water. The sun will be shining so bright you cannot bear it, and animals die because of not drinking the water and not getting anything to eat. Drought is a very tough situation for anyone to face. If our bodies do not get enough water, our memories may be affected. Then we may find it difficult to remember things properly. Our brain needs oxygen more. Some amount of oxygen is there in water too. When we drink the water, our brain will be charged. If we don't drink sufficient water, we may face memory loss. We may not be able to remember everything. That's why we need to drink enough water regularly. Okay, about this we will be learning in next video.